Okinawa Praise is a vibrant musical tradition rooted in the unique cultural heritage of Okinawa, Japan's southernmost prefecture. This genre combines elements of traditional Okinawan folk music, including the use of the sensine, a three-stringed instrument, with contemporary styles, creating a distinctive sound, often characterized by its lively rhythms and heartfelt lyrics. Okinawa Praise is performed at local festivals, gatherings, and celebrations, reflecting themes of love, community, and resilience. The music serves as a cultural expression, celebrating Okinawa's rich history and the spirit of its people, fostering a sense of pride and connection to their ancestral roots.